Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I'm also here with Crypto Market Mentor, which is a sister service of Stock Market Mentor. If you're interested in learning about crypto or digital assets, click on StockMarketMentor.com, click on Crypto Market Mentor, and come join a great community of traders. So I want to watch this ETF, this XRPI ETF, into tomorrow. We have the Fed meeting coming up tomorrow. It's expected that they will be cutting interest rates by 25 basis points. Now, historically, after they start a rate cutting cycle, the market does resolve to the upside. So even if we get some wobbles and volatility tomorrow, we should eventually see higher prices. And I think we're going to see higher prices in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP, which is what this ETF XRPI tracks. Now, as you can see, this has been in some long, drawn-out consolidation since the middle of August. It's really just chopped sideways, not really done much of anything, but since the middle of August, we've had a decent base of consolidation where it's just gone sideways for a while. And you can see that base of consolidation right there. It finally stopped going down. It firmed up in and around the beginning of September, and now we're back above most of the key moving averages except that 50-day moving average. You can see how the 50-day moving average is pretty key here on this chart. It's bounced off the 50-day a handful of times. It's broken under, it's got above, it's broken under. And so I definitely want to watch for a move back above the 50-day moving average, and ideally through Friday's intraday high of $19. So I would look for XRPI to get above and stay above 19 and do it on good volume. Now, if that happens, you could, I think, consider a trade on this using that 50-day moving average as a stop loss zone. You got to close back under the 50-day, breakout's not happening, maybe you want to reassess. But this is one of many ETFs specifically around crypto that I'll be watching tomorrow following the FOMC. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And check out what we're up to at Stock Market Mentor and Crypto Market Mentor. Click on StockMarketMentor.com. I hope to see you there.